Is your company selling complex B2B industrial equipment? Then you know the value of CAD files and assembly drawings. CAD files align expectations between you, your customer, and your supply chain so that you're all better prepared for production, installation, and commissioning of the product. Providing CAD files early in the sales process eliminates misunderstandings and costly errors, thereby creating trust in the buying journey. But as a hyper-competitive market forces you to customize your products in order to win deals, most of your quotes will diverge from the standard product, requiring sales engineering involvement in every sales case. Suddenly, the sales cost per quote is getting out of control and your profitability is going down. So how can you embrace a high degree of customization and at the same time quickly create design files? Tacton's smart configuration technologies empower your CAD engineers to automate your CAD designs and ensure that they're driven by customer needs. Here's how. For each of the modules of your product, you list the variants available. Next, you define the properties for each module and then use Tacton smart constraints, regulating how module variants are allowed to be combined. When selecting requirements and needs in the product configurator, Tacton checks all the constraints and automatically selects a valid and 100% correct technical solution fulfilling those customer needs. Through mappings between the selected module variants in Tacton and the CAD parts in your preferred CAD tool, Tacton Design Automation is then capable of creating parameterized and reliable designs on the fly for millions of product variants, all driven by customer needs. Tacton Design Automation acts as a plugin to your CAD system. In Tacton Design Automation Studio, your product engineers define the product configuration rules and the CAD mappings. Your CAD sales engineers will then use this as a template when starting up a new customer design project. Setting the needs and parameters of the specific customer will then quickly compile the right assemblies and made-to-measure design. This configuration-driven design can of course be complemented with manual design changes if customer requirements are very specific. The value created by Tacton Design Automation speaks for itself. Increase sales revenue by empowering your sales engineers to churn out more custom designs and drawings in less time. Reduce errors with designs driven by a company-shared product definition. Boost innovation pace by transferring freed-up design resources from sales engineering to product development. Increase conversion rates by providing CAD files fast and early in the sales process. Keep your design intelligence in-house by describing the virtues of your product in the product definition instead of in the heads of individual sales engineers that may leave your company. With our 20+ years of manufacturing experience, our purpose-built design automation capabilities have delivered business value to many leading global B2B manufacturing companies. With Tacton's 5 office locations and a network of partners around the globe, we are ready to deliver value in your design automation project. If you want to learn how design automation can be combined with pricing and quote generation, check out our CAD automation feature for Tacton CPQ. Tacton, enabling smart commerce for manufacturers.